Hey friends, today we're putting in a new battery here in the 99 Pontiac Grand Am. So for some reason the other battery went dead. Okay, pull those out. Yeah, but we got a free replacement battery because it's got like a 3-year replacement warranty. And it's supposed to last up to 10 years. What you want to do is just kind of fit this down in here. It's a little snug though with this wire here and this other wire. It's this is the screw that we need to tighten down to hold the battery in place, and the wires are kind of right in the way. Not a very good design, I would have to say. If I were designing it, probably do it a little bit differently. Anyways, let's get the battery in there if we can. Try to get our wires out of the way. So this part right here needs to get out of the way as well, because that's going to go over the lip on the battery right here on the other side, obviously. Alright, so let's try to get this in there without smashing our fingers or other stuff. Oh yeah, fluid thing comes off. Okay, we're going to need some new fluid in there anyways. It's kind of tight fit here. Okay, so now that that's done, I actually have to move that part over. I'll get a different view here so you know what I'm talking about. Possibly. Well, hang on, let me pause this. We'll get closer. Alright, so down in there, there's that little, there's this piece right here, and that needs to go. We're going to have to push it back a little bit so the battery lip, that can go on the battery lip. So I'm going to need a long, kind of narrow piece there to push that back, because the screw is loosened up, so we'll go get that. Alright, so I got a flathead screwdriver here. Hopefully I can get that in there and just push that back enough. That's going to get out of the way so our battery can go in there. So I'm just going to pull back on the battery a little bit. Try to move that up out of the way if I can. Maybe I can move the battery back this way. No. Okay, so as you can see, it's kind of a snug fit in here. Come on. Well, this is going to be fun, I think, actually. Oh, you know what? Maybe I can get my hand up under there and pull it backwards. Looks like I can. Sometimes it's good to be skinny. Come on. So close. Just, come on, my goodness. It's a tight fit there. There we go. So that did the trick. I pulled it back enough so I could kind of just push down. It would slide over the top. So now that lip is over the battery, and you want to tighten down. Man, that is just right in the way there. So that is, my goodness. The screw top is a 1/2 inch down there, so we're just going to tighten that down. It's not a good angle at all, because the cord's like right in the way there. So we're going to try and get it in there without messing it up too much. But, man, I might even be able to just get a wrench up under there. Okay, kind of pull it aside. Okay, we got that on there. I'm gonna go get my my socket. Do I have anything that I can attach to that? I'll be right back. Alright, so I got my trusty little impact driver. I don't want it too tight, but tight enough so you're nice. My socket's still in there. Let's see if I can't get that. Nope, that's not gonna come out of there very easily. Okay, so we're gonna try to get my socket back now. There we go, we got it. All right. So, now that that is in there, we can attempt to connect our battery here. Let's get our lighting going again here. All right, so this is really in the way, actually. This wire coming up over here. My goodness, how's that even gonna function now? I don't know why. That is right. It's like the worst possible place that wire could be coming up to right there. And yet, there it is. So, yeah, I don't know if I can even go up. How the heck does this go in there? Okay, so maybe it can go down. I don't know. This is just a really bad layout. Maybe it can go around. I'm going to try to feed it around. My cap is in the way. Murphy's Law starts kicking in here. Anything that can go wrong will go wrong. Okay. Okay, that's kind of, I guess, a little bit out of the way. So what we're going to do is hook up our battery now. Try not to get shocked or something. So I guess that one's already kind of hooked up here. And I'm going to just take my rubber grip pliers here and kind of try to just screw these in, I guess. Let's see here. Righty-tighty. The wider grip, I guess. Why does that not feel like it's going in there? Okay. All right, so basically, I'm gonna try to screw that on there. 1 second. Okay, so got those going a little bit. And just kind of not over tighten them, but just kind of get them a little bit tighter on there. That should be good enough. And the same one over here. A little bit at a time there. I had my battery been going out a little bit, so I might have to go get the alternator tested and stuff. So that's on there and looks good. Hopefully, let's see if my car will start. Now, to remove the battery, it's the same thing, just in reverse. Unscrew those, somehow get down in there and get that bolt out of there, loosened up enough so that pushes off the side, so it gets off the lip of the battery. You can pull your battery out of there. So that's how you remove it. Let's get our little cap on there. There we go. And let's see if my car will start, right? Hopefully it will. Go get my key real quick. Okay, gonna try to fire it up here. Okay, that's awesome. That's a brand new battery, and that didn't start it, so we're gonna have to check it out. Thanks for watching, my friends.